Hola amigos, a new day, a new part of Spain. A Roman city that is in Spain. This is insane. I just stepped off the train and I'm in Tarragona. I promise I wasn't trying to rhyme right there, but it kind of just flowed, just like the waves behind us. This coastline is absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, camera's not doing it justice. I really sure am enjoying Spain a lot more in the summertime now that the weather is warm and it's so gorgeous and beautiful. And then just look at this history behind me here, and I just stepped off the train. What is in store for us today? I'm in love with this place already. It's just so gorgeous and it just has the most peaceful vibe. We haven't even gotten to any of the Roman stuff and I'm just in love. And this artwork over here on the wall, what is this? It looks like beautiful artwork, but I'm gonna go ahead and say that this is devil work. I mean, if you really zoom in, 666 horns. What is this? Just down here, I can start to see the Roman ruins. There is an entrance to get into these ruins, and I thought that they would be charging, but entrance is actually free to come and check these out. So if you're in Tarragona, you gotta come see this. I'm about to enter the Colosseum. I'm just imagining being a gladiator. Like, you had to have a little bit of fear back in those days, knowing you're about to come in the Colosseum and fight till death. This is literally Roman history in Spain. These ancient Roman ruins in Tarragona date back over 2,000 years, when the city, then called Tarragona, was the capital of Roman Hispania. From the seaside stronghold, Rome spread its influence across the Iberian Peninsula. Today, the walls and the forum still stand as a powerful reminder of the empire's reach. Welcome to the underground Roman Circus. It literally feels like I'm walking through history at this exact moment. I have to duck to go under these. How low can you go? Real low, real low. We are going underground for the circus. This is so sick. Everyone, welcome to the main event at the underground Roman Circus. This is where you hit that like and subscribe button. No, seriously, I found out that most people watching my videos, my returning viewers, aren't even subscribers of this channel. What are you guys doing? Join in on the madness. Like, what were they doing in here? What were the Romans doing? Like, why did they need this much space underground? And why did they have to make it look this cool? No, I'm sure this lighting had to be our idea. There's no way. Did they even have lights back then? Fact check. Seriously, I'm still in Spain, right? Like, who would think I would find this in Spain? I actually visited another town in Spain that has some Roman heritage as well, Girona, and Game of Thrones was filmed there. So this is one of my favorite towns. If you haven't seen that video, click up above. Not me, because I'm gonna hit my head if I go up, but you click up above. I met up with one of my local Catalan's friends yesterday. She said to try this, that this is like the drink out here. I've never heard of it before, but apparently I'm missing out and this is culture. Almost tastes like, it tastes like half of a lemonade. Tarragona. This is a dope looking statue. Oh, look at that. There's the menus. Tapas. Not too hungry. Here's a small plaza. vermouth. Let me know if you guys ever tried vermouth. They love it here so much in Spain. I've had it a couple times here. I like the red one, red or white. Red or the white vermouth. I could go for a drink, but I mean, alcohol right now in this sun, and I have the train ride back, probably wouldn't be the smartest idea. Time for the beach. Honestly, when I thought of coming here, I really thought of the beach. I'm not completely dressed in beach clothes, but I do have some swim trunks on. Yeah, let's see where the beach... Oh, what is this? This is actually very cool. I want to do a flip around and show you this wall here. I hope that you can see the detail on it in the camera, but if not, we're moving closer. And I'll flip it around. Some sick detail. I take it that's the fountain. ¿Con tu familia?
No solo, no tengo a nadie, solo.
Oh, ¿por qué?
Porque no me lo pienso.
Hanging around the plaza, I had a chance to speak with this older gentleman who's from Latin America. He told me he had been living in Tarragona for the last 20 years. This was a great chance for me to practice my Spanish and also to understand his experience living here. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem that he had the best experience living here. He told me that he's unable to work due to an injury, has no family here, and that the people in the town look down on him because he doesn't have much money.